How's it going, guys? MCF Got Milk here. Welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to tell when you need to change your tires on your car. But before we get started, I want to make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. And as always, let's get back to the video. So I work at a gas station other than the fire department, and I've seen so many cars that are jacked up, and it's just awful to look at, and it's very, very sad to watch. But one of the things is tires. Like, it is one of the most common things I've seen, and I want to make sure you guys are driving on safe tires so you guys don't get into accidents. So I'm going to show you my tread. I have 3 good tires and 1 really bad tire. So that's going to show you what I mean. Alright, so this is one of my good tires. As you can see, the tread is up high. You can, like my fingernails, you can see. But there's also some tires, there it is. There's these little stoppers. See the little toppers? Like you can't go past, like I can slide, they stop. Well, those also depend and tell you how much tread you have left. So as you can see, these are good treads. It's hard to see right now, but there's a little stopper there. See how much it's like lifted up? There you go. That's a good tire. This has a lot of life left. Now let me go show you a bad tire. Lo and behold, this is the bad tire. You can obviously right away. Look at that tread. Awful. See you can still see my fingernail perfectly. And let's find there's a stopper there. And as you can see, the stopper is literally lined up with the tread. So this tire is still getting traction very faintly because you can still like have some tread on it, but I'm just gonna be sliding in the rain if all my tires are like this. And I've seen Boulder, I've seen them where they're completely like smooth pretty much, and that's just not good. Plus these are all-terrain tires, so all-terrain you wanna have obviously stuff to grab onto. And then again, another different tire, as you can see, the tread difference on that one. This is another good tire. You guys can also do the penny trick where you put the penny upside down. If you see his head, there you go, it tells you how much tread you have left. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the end of it. Just like I said, really simple and quick. It's really not rocket science to tell, oh, should I need a new tire? If there's nothing left on the tread, I think it's time for a new tire. So thank you for getting to tell you guys in my videos. I have a Twitter and an Instagram. It's exactly as my YouTube channel, MCF Got Milk. Go check it out. But as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.